Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Flat Trails. I'm your buddy Jack. Flat Trails is a series, it's a show, where I walk the less popular non-mountain trails that most people have in their home areas or backyards. And this is Long Reach Preserve. It's kind of like the, like sister trail to Cliff Trail, the one I was doing earlier. The one I posted earlier, I should say. And this one's really cool. It's also maintained by Harpswell Heritage Land Trust, so definitely check those folks out. And it's just a beautiful, not windy, kind of snowy morning, or afternoon, I should say. And I'm pretty thrilled to just have a blast on this, and I'm kind of looking at the ground because it's a little slippery, but come with me. Onward. Let's frigging have fun, okay? It's beautiful out here. Look at this root structure, dude. This, hold up, let me get you seeing this a little better. This is a total root structure from underneath this tree that tipped over, probably from some sort of gale force winds, you know? And here's the tree. It's actually two trees put together, growing in the same root structure. When these get knocked over, dude, definitely a home for a lot of critters. Folks, thank you for coming along with me on another edition of Flat Trails. We took Long Reach Preserve to the limit, and by limit I mean we walked very casually and enjoyed ourselves. So I thought this was really cool. It was rad to hike Cliff Trail one day and then the very next day come out to Long Reach here and have the snow just totally blanket what was just kind of ugly and just like forest flora in the middle of January. So it's really cool. Definitely check out Harpswell Heritage Land Trust. They do so much for these trails, and you know, their hard work allows a dumbass like me to run around here and have a blast. So thanks for coming along with me. I will see you very soon, and Merry February. It's the worst month. But hey, if it looks like this, I'm down. So, I'm gonna get some food. I love you folks.